Okay, it's recording now.
Alright.
Put it in your toe. Oh, that was nothing.
That is nothing.
Oh, two toes.
Up.
You got one in there?
Yeah.
Hey. That's not the bold one.
He's thinking about it.
You don't see it.
And we doing it. There we go. Here we come.
Okay. Did you like it? Did you like? You like that?
I like it. I like it.
She liked it. I'm gonna do it again.
I'm a foot person.
Well, we're gonna have a whole movie here.
I'm a foot person.
They like the foot. I'll tell you why.
It's a pedophilia thing.
No, it's far away from the rest of the human face, body, teeth and stuff. You know what I mean?
Yeah, in case I wanted to chaw on them or something.
Yeah, you know, it's like putting the food outside. All right.
Oh, damn.
Come on, Gene. This is being recorded here. And the hungry one is back. There you go. Okay. There he is. Oh, he's going to eat it right there. It's like something out of Hitchcock. The Attack of the Toe Birds. Yeah. You know, you're very careful not to hurt you.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. See? Yeah.
The girls aren't doing it, though.
No.
Come on.
It's like movie. It's like home movies.
Yeah.
Yeah. It may have too much salt without liquid.
Oh.
You done with your toes?
I'm done with the toes.
Okay.